different ear training challenges. So you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil or pen. For the first one, I just want you to write at the top do, re, mi. So that would be DOREMI. This is the do, re, mi ear training challenge. And then just number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll go through each number and you write your answer, and then you can take a picture of that and send it to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to be transposing do, re, mi into 10 different keys, or I will be, and you're going to be listening. And after I've played each one, so just the first, second, and third note in that scale, I'll play one more, and you tell me which one I played out of the 3. So we'll do a couple just as practice before you start writing. Go ahead and pause if you need to, obviously, and go get your paper and everything and come back when you're ready. Okay, so here's the first practice one. For that one, I'm just doing do as middle C. So we'll do do, re, mi, and then here's the one that you would need to guess. Okay, so for that one, I just did mi again. I did the E again. Do, re, mi, mi. Here's another practice one. I'm going to move it over to F. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, do. So the answer for that one would be do. Let's do one more practice one. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, re. Okay, hopefully you have the gist of how that's going to go. So now we'll start with number 1. Number 2. Number 3. 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And last is 10. Okay, so that is the end of the do, re, mi ear training challenge. Let me know when you send your response how difficult you found that, like on a scale of 1 to 5. And I'll look at your answers too. And obviously if it's 100%, then we'll know that we need to make it a little bit harder. So the next ear training challenge, you can turn your paper over or write on the bottom of the paper depending on how big you wrote for those ones. This one, at the top, just write broken chords. And we're going to do a ear training challenge listening for broken chords and whether it is a 1 chord, a 4, a 5, or a minor 6. So we have 4 different chords to choose from, and you can use the Roman numerals for that one. If it is I'm going to do this in the key, all in the key of B flat major, just like your piece. So if it is a 1 chord, it'll be that B flat major chord, but I'm going to do them in different inversions broken up, so you can be listening for. Different ways of playing the 1 chord. The 4 would be, figure it out with me, let's look at the piano. So B flat is 1, C is 2, D is 3, E flat major would be 4. So your E flat chord those would all be a 4 as it relates to your 1, since your 1 is B flat. 1, 4. Play through that a few times with me. So start on B flat and do 1, and move to E flat, 4. Okay, now if we move up 1 more whole step to F, then that'll be number 5. 5. And then if we move up one more half step to G, it'll be G minor since it has the B flat. Okay, so let's do a couple practice rounds where every time I'll play the 1 and then move to a different chord. So I'm gonna play 1 B flat. I would think because you can hear that it's definitely minor. But if we're listening for the note that had been the root, B flat, is now the middle note for the minor chord. Okay, so label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're gonna start with number 1. And I'm not going to play starting with 1 going into the chord now. I'm just going to play through a chord and you listen to it and tell me what you think it is. So, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Okay, I hope that me saying those numbers didn't make it confusing because the numbers that I was saying did not match what number chord you're playing. So let me know how that went.